Okay, YouTube, this is Back to Life Customs and Restore. Coming at you with a video. This is one of the videos I'm trying to create, trying to make a little buzz with it. So bright. Do so bright really works? Do Angelus so bright really works? That's one of the main questions that a lot of people ask. A lot of people use it. A lot of people actually give the end result. Sometimes it's not going to come out the way that you think. Like, as you can see, I had these since 2013. I stopped wearing them when they start turning yellow. So as you can see, these are completely piss yellow. It look crazy. But the, back to the Soul Bright, I applied Soul Bright to the other sneaker to see. I applied like a couple of coats. Probably like I'll go to work in the morning. I come back probably like around 4:30. So I will apply in the morning. I will apply one coat. Then when I come back home, I'll apply another one. Then with my homemade setup, I'll use my homemade setup at night for the sneaker. Then in the morning, I let the sun do his job or whatever the case might be. But make a long story short, this sneaker right here, I didn't touch it with nothing yet. But I will be using the Salon Care 40 in my next video to find out if this will, brighten it up, make it look unpissy, because this is looking crazy. But I've seen a lot of videos where as though a lot of people used it. Somewhat it came out, someone it didn't. I just wanted to test it. It's a little curiosity I had, so I just wanted to test it out to see what it does and if it really is effective when it comes down to it. So here's the other one. Move this one over. Alright, this is the other one. So, as you can see how bright they became. It came big. It came out. This is how they was looking. Very pissy, very yellow. And now got a light, it's lighter, but it's not, the yellow is not all the way out. But I feel like if you keep applying it to a certain point and keep it in the sun or your homemade setup, however you have it, I'm pretty sure that the natural color of this will come back. Maybe we'll see. We'll test it out. I'll keep applying certain coats to it. But the Salon Care 40, I'm definitely just going to use it on the other ones just to see what happens with that, and basically to see if it will brighten up, because these is looking real bad. Real bad. And the crazy thing is I found these at the bottom of my closet. I was doing some home cleaning, trying to clean out the closet. Get rid of the old stuff that I collected over the years. So this is one of the things that popped up, and I'm kind of shocked how they look at the bottom. They were sitting for a little while. So again, if y'all have any other brands like the Soul Bright or the Care 40 that you want to see me use on a sneaker, or see if it's effective on a sneaker, just comment, let me know. Definitely can you please, man, because I know I'm up and coming. I just started my page not too long ago. I'm trying to get established on YouTube. This is something that I've been watching on YouTube for a good 2 years, and watching a lot of people develop their customs and things like that. So it had got me very interested in it. So this is one of the reasons why I'm starting this now. So I appreciate the love and the help to get the page going, get the page up, support me. I appreciate it. Can you please like, subscribe, and comment at the bottom, please. Leave your comments. I don't care what y'all talk about this. Leave your comments. Let me see what y'all talking about. Let's see if y'all like how the Soul Bright did. The following 2 weeks, I'll probably bring this video out to see what the Salon Care 40 did. So, definitely, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night.